It's a hot sunny day, like so hot you're parched, you're thirsty, you're tired. Then all of a sudden, close to you, you hear just the sound of liquid into glass, and you turn to see just a beautiful, lovely, and delicious glass of something close to you. Yeah, a glass of lemonade. Well, you think I would say all this without showing you how to do it? Welcome again to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make lemonade, which is basically lemon juice that is sweetened. Yeah, lemon is sour, but this is sweetened. Basic lemonade is just made of sugar and lemons. There are different types of lemon, but here we are using the Eureka lemon. So the rough lemon in normality is called bush lemon. There is also Beer's lemon, citron, and like over 30 types of lemon varieties. Don't forget, I'm all about healthy substitutes. So for the sugar, you can use honey or maple syrup instead of the sugar. So first thing, we try to squeeze the lemon. Squeezing this lemon actually helps bring out enough juice so that we don't need to do so much while juicing it. Lemon has so many benefits. It's full of minerals and vitamins, especially vitamin C. It helps with digestion and mineral absorption due to the soluble carbs it has. Lemon also helps aid weight loss. And there is something called pectin in lemon. That's actually what helps in the weight loss stuff. The pectin makes you feel full, therefore making you eat a little less. Because of the vitamin C content, it enhances the immune function. Lemon reduces risk of kidney stones because of the citric acid in it, and it is rich in fiber. Yeah, fiber is very good for our digestion. It contains something called hesperidine and diosmin, which helps reduce cholesterol. And because of the citric acid, it helps absorb non-heme iron, thereby preventing anemia in the body. Lemon has calcium, potassium, and also folate. Lemon relieves sore throats. It helps clear skin due to some constituents it has. It also helps fight cancer. Now that we are done squeezing it, next is to wash our lemons. Yeah, we need to wash them for the next step. We have our clean lemons now, and it's ready for the next step, which is zesting the lemon. So the zest is more like the skin around it, and the zest contains lemon oil, which is used for the essential oils we know. So this lemon oil, it contains something called D-limonene. Yeah, that's a mouthful. And this constituent is believed to prevent malignancy in cancer. Lemon essential oil is an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial substance. It boosts moods and helps boost brain power. Also, it may reduce anxiety and depression in people. Yeah, that's why they are used as essential oil. Now you might wonder, is this part really necessary? Not really, but the zest I'm going to get from these lemons will help with the color of the lemonade I want. Yeah, that's why I actually got Eureka lemons. You can get any other lemons like the ones I showed you, but with this, yeah, I have a colorful lemonade. So yeah, we've gotten our zests, ready. Now over to make our simple syrup with the sugar and water. Like I said, you can still use honey and maple syrup. That is the healthy choice. But I'm making just the basic lemonade. So we dissolve the sugar, 2 cups of sugar actually, in a cup of water and stir. We take this and place it on a low heat, very low heat, so the sugar will dissolve. And to this we add our lemon zest and allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes. Now over to juicing our lemons. You'll find out that after all this, it's easier to juice the lemon. So you can decide to leave the pulp in it or sieve out the pulp. Yeah, the pulp, that's the stuff inside there. The pulp is actually good because it contains fiber. The lemon juice will not contain as much pectin as the skin. Well, because it's liquid, but it contains a lot of soluble carbohydrates, which helps in the digestion. So lemon juice, just like the skin and the rind, is very essential. Before I forget, lemon juice is very acidic. Well, not so acidic that it will burn your skin or something. But if you have ulcer, I highly recommend don't try lemon juice, especially for an active ulcer or on an empty stomach. Now we are done juicing our lemons, so over to make the mixture. I bring back my simple syrup with the lemon rinds in it, actually the lemon zest in it. So the only thing left is just to mix these two. I left the pulp inside because, well, I like a little bit of pulp in my lemon. We are done mixing, so the only thing remaining is to serve. So yeah, and remember to sieve out the zest. It's not really needed, just sieve it out because it doesn't really taste that nice. Well, for me, it doesn't really taste that nice. This is actually concentrated, so whenever you want to take it, mix it with a little bit of water. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Also click on the bell over there so you get notifications of new videos. So if we remove the refined sugar that I add, we can say this is almost 100% natural. So a little bit of ice cubes here to serve my lemonade. I'll garnish it with a little bit of lemon slices. Well, one here and one inside. And of course, I have to have a taste of this lemonade. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.